If you've ever wondered how to find or look at all fonts on your PC, this quick Windows tutorial will show you the easiest ways to view every installed typeface in just a few clicks. Whether you're a designer, a student, or just someone trying to find the perfect font for a project, knowing where your fonts are stored can save you a lot of time. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's start with the first method using Windows settings. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I at the same time to open the Settings app. Once Settings opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Personalization. This is where Windows keeps your appearance options, including wallpaper, colors, themes, and fonts. Now, inside Personalization, scroll through the list and select Fonts. This will open the full fonts page on your PC, showing every installed font available on your system. You'll see a search bar at the top, which is really useful if you want to quickly find a specific font name instead of scrolling through everything manually. Under that, Windows also gives you live previews of each font style, so you can instantly see what each typeface looks like before using it. If you click on any font, Windows will open a detailed preview page. From there, you can view different font weights, sample text, and more information about that typeface. This is one of the easiest ways to browse through all your fonts in a clean, visual layout. Now let's go to the second method, which uses the System Fonts folder directly. This is especially helpful if you want to see fonts in File Explorer or quickly access the folder where Windows stores them. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog box. In the box that appears, type C:/Windows/Fonts and then hit Enter. This will take you straight to the Master System Fonts directory inside File Explorer. Once the folder opens, switch your view to extra large icons if it's not already set that way. This makes it much easier to preview each font at a glance. When you see a font you want to inspect, you can click on it to open the preview and view its details. This folder gives you a straightforward way to browse the fonts installed on your PC without needing any extra software. If you want to compare fonts side by side, this folder is a great place to do it, and if you're searching for a specific style, the search bar in File Explorer can help narrow things down fast. So to recap, the fastest ways to look at all fonts on your PC are by using Windows settings under Personalization and Fonts, or by opening the C:/Windows/Fonts folder directly through Run. Both methods let you explore your installed typefaces and find exactly what you need. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful Windows tips, software guides, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.